Hi, in today's video I'm going to take my normal PC case and wrap it in carbon fiber vinyl. What made you think of using the vinyl as something to put on a PC case? I mean, that's a lot of trouble. It's basically a sticker, isn't it? So, funny story actually. I kind of bought this vinyl on wish.com. So it was supposed to be a project for a car that we drove, my wife and I. We drove a 2010 Chevrolet Spark. Yeah, and it was supposed to go on like the side of the door or something. And I never used it. I don't know why. I just, it was in the cupboard for like a year or something. And yeah, that was up until this point. And then I decided, wait, these stuff stick. So why don't I just put it on my PC? I love carbon fiber. So why don't I make my PC look like carbon fiber? So it was kind of at this point where I realized that it's gonna be much more work than I actually initially realized. Also, as you can see, there's already kind of like a carbon fiber strip on the PC, and that is because I tested this out a while before I actually decided to make this video, and I got lazy, so I just never did anything else. Was it really hard to get everything done? Was it, mentally taxing in any way? Or do you think everybody can do it? I want to say this is really mentally taxing. The stress of just taking everything apart. Your computer can break at any time and you never know what's gonna happen next. It's kind of like you roll the dice and it goes wherever it wants to go. So yeah, I like I said, I wouldn't really recommend this to anybody. It can really be mentally taxing. Now the hard part is, how am I gonna get this on that? Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure something out. Am I ever gonna get this done? It's been hours. So the top of the PC case was kind of difficult. I had to use another piece of kind of transparent paper to cut out the exact places where all the buttons and stuff would be, and then I traced them onto the vinyl with the vinyl on the top of the case, and then cut out all the pieces of the USBs, the power, the LEDs, stuff like that. So it was kind of at this point where I realized I didn't have enough carbon fiber vinyl for everything. I had to choose either the top of my case or the front panel, and I think I choose the front panel. And now it's time to put every single thing back together. I don't know, building a computer is kind of fun. You know, putting everything back together, it is stressful. It is really stressful, but it is kind of fun. I mean, you can just imagine how good you feel when you turn on the PC for the first time and it works. That's freaking awesome. Right, for the moment of truth. 3, 2, 1. Yes! And we got a boot. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video and share it around for other people who might be interested in this kind of thing. If you like my type of videos or like PC videos in general, there should be videos on the screen right now for you to choose to watch next. With that being said, I hope to catch you in the next one. Cheers everybody.